YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we have some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned, we're gonna dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we got some quick fix videos for you on Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. As you guys can tell, the cleaner has been stripped down to basically just the bottom casing as well as the main frame. If you guys want to know how we got to this point, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We have all the videos lining this up on tearing this apart from the outside in. For today's video on Quick Fix, we want to show you guys how to get access to the actual Venturi jets that are located in the main vacuum tube. So these Venturi jets are a driving force to help push the debris up from the bottom, and it feeds up through the main vacuum tube and into the bag located at the top. So typically you can get a lot of fine dirt and debris stuck into these jets. So it is important that every season or so that you do take this apart and perform this maintenance, so then that way you don't have to constantly come out and check on why your cleaner is not actually pushing debris up into the bag. It does have other ways to pull the debris up, but the Venturis are the main driving force, so it is important that you don't get anything stuck. And when I get it out of the cleaner here, I'll kind of show you guys the orifice size on these Venturi jets that kind of just show you the size of debris that could block it. So first step you're going to need to do is just remove the bottom. Again, if you want to know how to do this any other way in more detail, make sure you guys check out the link in the description, because we do have a video available for you guys on how to do this. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and jump through the steps for you guys. Go ahead, remove the bottom. And once you got the bottom out, you guys can actually see here's your entire Venturi assembly, which actually ties in line to your thrust jet assembly. So it is a solid working piece together. The one good thing about the Venturi jets is that you should be able to remove them. There is an O-ring that kind of helps glue them together. This is a newer unit, so it may just be kind of super tight for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this whole piece to be able to show you. Only tool you guys really need with this cleaner at all is just a Phillips head screwdriver. All of the screws internally are just Phillips head screws. So if you guys got a small flathead, or if you guys have a longer Phillips head screwdriver, that's the only tool you'll need. Go ahead and remove that as well. Make sure you get them all the way off. Again, really important that you do all of this away from your pool, so you do not have to spend the next hour and a half with a net in your pool trying to get the screw out from the bottom. So once you guys remove it here, you guys can see on the camera here we have the very small orifice from the Venturi jets here. That orifice is where high pressured water is going to actually shoot out and shoot up the main tube, which is going to help force the debris from underneath to go into the main bag of the cleaner. So you guys can see it's a very small hole, so typically small rocks, little pieces of sand that somehow make it back through your pump, through your hose, past your filter, into the cleaner itself and down into the Venturis. You'd be surprised, it happens quite often. So it is a very good key part to check and to clean to make sure everything works well and functions right. The best way to do this is to kind of blow out the lines, so you can hook your hose up just straight here and just constantly try to feed a high pressure through it to just help get that debris out of those holes. Sometimes you got to perform some surgery, get a needle in there and actually kind of work it out so that those holes are cleared out for you and everything's going to work properly. So as you guys can see, it does have an O-ring here, which is what's going to help seal that main your main feed mass tube, which is your driving engine of the cleaner. That it does help seal from the bottom, because with Polaris they did not make it a solid part similar to some of the other manufacturers. So to meet in the middle, they did do a O-ring on both the top and the bottom to make sure that it actually sits properly onto the frame and everything seals well for you. So today we just want to show you guys how to get to these Venturi jets, kind of talk about the importance of them and how to clean them. Make sure you guys hit that like button. We got a ton of videos coming your way. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We've got a ton more videos coming your way, and be sure to hit that like button. We really appreciate all the love and feedback we get from you guys. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.